Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today, we're going to teach you how to fix brightness problem in Windows 10. The first thing that you need to do is to click on the search button and type in Control Panel. Once you are on the control panel, find and click Hardware and Sound, then select Power Options. Then check what's your power plan. In my case, it is this one. However, on your end, it might be Ultimate Performance. What you're going to do next is to click on Change Plan Settings next to your power plan, and then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will appear. Then search for Display. Click the plus button beside it. On your end, you will see Enable Adaptive Brightness. Expand the Enable Adaptive Brightness. Ensure that the settings is on. Then click on the Apply button and then the OK button. That's it. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.